New details into a deadly shooting. The state says Titusville police were justified when they shot and killed Trimario Charles back in February. Officers claim Charles was reaching for a gun, so they shot him. Fox 35's Randi Hildreth is live in Titusville tonight. So, Randi, Charles' mother has asked to see the body camera footage, but the department says they've been waiting for the state to finish the investigation.
Yeah, good evening to you, Marlisa. So the state attorney looked into this case, and he says that he was responsible for determining if there was a criminal violation and if anyone should be held criminally responsible. As you mentioned, he poured through that body camera video. The document said that the officers who responded that night did nothing wrong. And the mayor and the police chief say now that that investigation is closed, that body camera video should be released this week. Cleared. State Attorney William Shiner says the Titusville officers who shot and killed Trimario Charles back in February were justified. He cites Chapter 776 of Florida statute in his report. It says use of force is okay if the officers, quote, believe that using or threatening to use such force is necessary to prevent imminent death or great bodily harm. The state attorney's report says body camera video shows Charles drop his gun as he ran from the home on South Robbins Avenue. The report noted the video shows Charles punch towards an officer, grab his gun again, run towards another officer before turning to run in a different direction. The medical examiner's report showed Charles was shot 10 times. Police say the gun recovered at the scene had been converted to an automatic weapon and the trigger appeared to have been pulled. This ruling, the city is now waiting for the police department to release the body camera video.
They've been, patiently waiting, and I get it. We're all frustrated. We wanted it to go faster, but when this case is handed off to a state agency, the state agency takes their time.
Mayor Andrew Connors says Charles' family was told the video would be available after the Florida Department of Law Enforcement and the state attorney's office reviewed the case. Now that that's done, they're set to see it Thursday before it's released to everyone.
It's been step by step the entire time.
I'm still grieving mom.
Charles' mom had been pushing to see all angles of the night her son was killed. She's been speaking out at council meetings.
I think where we go is once the footage is released and everybody's made aware of the facts that surround the case, then that's where we come together as a community and we heal.
And the city council is set to meet tonight. When I spoke to the mayor today, he says it's not on the agenda, the update about this report, but he expects it to come up likely during public comment. Now, as for the release of that body camera video, Titusville's police chief says it will be available to the public by Friday. I'll send it back to you live tonight, Randi Hildreth, Fox 35 News.